Savitribai Phule Pune University Affiliated College, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College from Women Malegaon. The subject is Sports Awards in India, presented by Desale Sunita Physical Director. Subject Physical Education. Sports Awards in India. In sports. Awards in India are presented by the Government of India to honor the players who have performed very well in their field of sport. It is a bestow to various sport personalities in different fields for their outstanding performance and to enhance the enthusiasm of players and recognize their skills and achievements. All the awards are given to the proud recipient on National Sport Day every year, i.e. 29th August, to mark the celebration of birthday of hockey maestro Major Dhyan Chand. These awards include the trophy, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjun Award, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Award, Dronacharya Award, Dhyan Chand Award. Very recently, the sport category also has been added in the list of areas for which Bharat Ratna is conferred. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was instituted in the year 1991-92, India's highest honor given to achievement in sport. The words Khel Ratna literally means sport game in Hindi. Named after the late Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, carries a medal, a scroll of honor and cash component of 7,50,000. The Khel Ratna was devised to be an overarching honor conferred the outstanding sporting performance whether by an individual or a team across all supporting disciplines in a given year. Dronacharya Award was instituted in 1985 to honor eminent coaches who have done outstanding and meritorious work consistently with the singularity of purpose of raising and standards of sports persons to highest performance in national and international events. As the best sports person award is named Arjun Awards. It is appropriate that the coaching award is named after Dronacharya, as he was the guru of Arjuna. The award comprises a plaque, bronze statue of Dronacharya, a scroll of honor and cash prize of 5 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs. Arjuna Awards, instituted in 1961 by the Government of India to recognize outstanding achievement in games and sport. The award carries a cash prize of 5 lakhs, a bronze statue of Arjuna and scroll To be eligible for the award, a sport person should not only have had good performance consistently for the previous 3 years at the international level with excellence for the year for which the award is recommended but should also have shown qualities of leadership, sportsmanship, and sense of discipline. The award is given only in discipline falling under the following categories: Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cup, World Championship, disciplines, and cricket, indigenous, indigenous games, sport for the physically changed. Dhyanchan Award. The Dhyanchan Award is a lifetime achievement given to the veteran sports persons of India for their achievements in their respective fields of sport. It is named after Dhyanchan and the legendary Indian hockey player. This is a new award instituted by the Government of India in the year 2002. The award carries cash prize of 5 lakhs, rupees 5 lakh. The statuette and scroll of honor. The main objective of the award is to bestow honor on those sports persons who have contributed a lot to their respective sport by their performance and who still continue to contribute to the promotion of sport after their retirement from the active sporting career. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy. Government Institute Maka Trophy in 1956-57 as a tool of performing the competitive sport among colleges and universities. The top overall performing university in the inter-university tournaments in India is given the Maka Trophy, which is a rolling trophy along with cash prize. The cash prize has also been recently enhanced to 10 lakh to 5 lakh and rupees 3 lakh for the universities securing first, second, and third position respectively in inter-university tournaments. The RKPP award was राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार. The RKPP Awards was instituted in 2009 by the Government of India to recognize the contribution in sports by untitled other than sport persons and coaches. The objective of the award is to encourage and promote corporate involvement in the promotion and development of sport. The award carries a citation and trophy in each category, like the community sport identification and nurturing of budding young talent, financial support for sport excellence, establishment and management of sport academics of excellence, employment of sport persons and sport welfare measures. Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. The TNNA was instituted in 1993 by the Government of India. It is named after Tenzing Norgay, mm, who is one of the first two individuals to reach the summit of Mount Everest in 1953, along with Sir Edmund Percival Hillary. The award is given to individuals for excelling adventure activities on land, sea, and air. It carries a statal certificate and a cash prize of 5 lakhs. Thank you.